Me, I've worked with Agya Koo, said no code 2 days near the other. He didn't do that to me.
Okay.
It's principle, Papa. This is what we want to achieve. Not about you, it's not about me. But it's about what the people want. It's an education. You lay the policy to the person. But yes,
and the other colleagues now called the way I was say, "Coy, now 1 month 2 days."
It depends if you be any training free.
Nti anu na other colleagues so also they do point me now on committee them. Nti no other colleagues say call meeting say yen kill
me over Kumasi I have a passion for the industry.
Nti then I would say about that question I'm beside.
Oh, it came on board.
Okay.
And individual differences so we also see handle the issues. Ono dey was on for being minti nka so waye. Yeah.
Nti anu na ote
Ote, ye nyina yete, but as to who people sat down and planned that director A, director B, director C, that one I cannot mention yet. But ebeye haha in the industry, Emma Obia at TV. But I mean, I foresaw that time, you say, it was an error. And then I end the man, but we are Johnson and BBC, no, I was a for BBC. Without Judas, there wouldn't have been any crucified for Jesus Christ.
Okay.
But need the house also Jesus, but no say for baby. He's still our father, he's still our legend. Yeah, but Ghana film industry didn't say we can never take him out of it. We can never.
His name.
Not even two.
One.
He starts.
Yeah.
He's a big legend. As of now, young Kolano. A movie that she young Queen Dinechi. A senior bibi. Near some bear directors or some my yam, a deal boomaye, a some big jina come in say, yen directing. By me that perception, and I know me from me from I had my papa and my panic to say he shouldn't even talk about it again. Because or cancer is a way in Uncle Point. Say, Uncle be you from Uncle 2-3 years, and Uncle a radio will be a money palm that. But never be also would be no be better was on. As a Lilwin says, he announced on started being executive producer of himself. His era in the film industry has ended because the new ones coming, not most of them can pay him. Into what he has here, what is the next channel? He has also tried to produce on himself.
Lilwin era 9.
Oh,
so who is next?
That has been the downfall of the industry. Without Kodun cancer, said here, Agya Koo without no Suli, no Brasta. Right now, without Kodun cancer, there's no industry. Because since 2012 to 2021, you are moving to 2022. All Ghanaian producers come and tell me, say, this is our next comedian in me, a discovery. Director,
so why do we base on comedy artists to, build our industry?
Masa, our BPI is based on comedians. Americans, they started from who? Charlie Chaplin.
But say, the key, like, if they are not there, they're still not the industry reigns.
Ghanaians doesn't need story.
Ghanaians do
that,
what?
They don't need story.
Hear story.
What
Ghana for no more hair.
What they need is what they will use to release pressure.
But say Ghana for you create you call Netflix or foreign movies.
Because I want say nipa do say na Netflix. You check the percentage of Ghana.
A bit less there.
Less. Yeah, mama no take Cantamanto no. Yeah, mama no take it no. Yeah, na no call a film or people no no buy no. Or the Netflix here.
We have had your best or religious stress.
But just say when you add them to it, it's more like you putting salt. In it or the storyline is there all right, but I need partners at cry. There are so many producers who try that and compare someone to the system from the comedy aspect, doing a pure story. Where your story we now got now here, Elphepa, but Obeka Swaboka, the Agya Koo, Lilwin, Yasia Crobet to me, Yasi Dinim. And then a man can you. The consumers, they decide what they want. And so why Yama woman, it become a failure. Sanke was top comedian BCCR and can still do a Proha movie. Says here poem pill, if you want to rebound the movie, you have to still build it on Agya Koo and win again to see say maybe a crime issue before for picking that. Yes.
So why don't you sit with them now? Mum so almost say bia you say you're reviving industry nanti. You nim say mum no and betimi aboa. So what are the terms and conditions? I
selfish interest on part of them. They feel so many, almost feel so many at your pay.
Some also more approach here.
You have approached so many things, but talk baby says but someone says sometimes say they work on collaboration. Yeah. We can build. But says you are work on the crown. Who are you to him again as the director? Because I do many in here. Almost about 80% of our directors right now. So say or Masitinama.
Oh.
It's very bad.
It's the director Odame enemy Kasai no because many Odame so Kasai or Kase ube boka invest build the character but later the character no umbu bi
on say now until I catch was a lack of knowledge or say my people perish and I need can about contract system sanka that time no and I campaign for it me lay structures and year contractor and there wouldn't be any artist and could be to me as sorry a cheer director or executive producer because at the end of the day I paid you, I made who you are. So how must you turn against me? Because there was no vision for us. With your funny try, say you are just doing it. Yeah, more, but ni nim say duana ni duana ba be fufu ye kon.
Nti ane how na say e yo decision ni ego.
O me am dey.
O so e yo dey.
Pa. Have basic reasons here me dey. One said there was a certain time you benya bibia na e be say pole yeah. Pole ni cheze na it was so much opened. I say because you be sorry with me here we beat me for 50 million. 5,000 was me cost set. What kind of job can you do? You beat me for 3,000 was me cost set. Yes. And there are so many me KTF producers who be so me catch my new be adwuma KTF phone my new be adwuma because now they can't pay me.
From your boy
no me nya me now for your boy UK. The only person that I worked for KTF was and you question and you mean money ko KTF no nye KTF ni. Me na man to be than a marketer. Because me am catching na me pay me marketer. That was soon police and then they started marketing. Me man you be adwuma da. Apart from Mama C and Steve G.
But omo de bro.
Oh no mo de ba. Na me wo other people ya bom say na me no na pie yike mo ima kusni ade. Omo the other ma other directors are omutimi and IT store ne chem na bia mo adwuna am de den. But omo ba me catch omo so omo sika sha. They can't pay me. And am yanka so me ya adwuma to omo ntimi nto. Ntimi manye KTF for adwuma go na menye 120 million adwuma 12,000 adwuma. Manye bida.
And so if you say way forward now, what do we need?
Way forward is just stretches.
Okay.
Some campaign for any bit yeah. That is why I'm coming with the hashtag bring back our GH movies. Okay. You want to bring back the Ghanaian movies. That's the movie fraternity. No? And they should let us put the stretches a big government money one from the director to the artist. Okay. Anka every region be and say anka you make your wins ni ye. Yen two and some full be or visions on the name directing. And men yes we na ye be the we na ye be da. Let's combine them together. You who said directors nini. What future do we have for them again? Okay, any nefty krankasa. Ni enrollment of courses. Okay. Emma woman, yen polish or more natural idea na. Okay. Nyame edi ama woman. Nanka is yema TV stations, marketers, executive producers who say, so what the Baduma Koma OTR, who say okra certificate, said ye coaches no. Okay. Okra this certificate, okra this licenses, and qualifying say, obey me a direct edumano. So we a TV stations, so we a marketer, not obedient in senior blossom. Why a direct here? Oh, what in a direct here? Oh, Poleeno in a direct here. Who is Poleeno? My miss Anthony Sylvia, a can't edumano. Young grooming artist, you may person every director supposed to have an academy. Okay.
So they can camp
no. Na eboa.
Maybe you say no so account in the industry.
Oh baby, and I say football has a for one camp, Kotoko one camp. GFA go. GFA say ngui. I'll tell you on a camp. I like the Greece on a camp.
Okay.
So why don't I build my camp? I dare me am bona fide property me asset me dem nsa so ma me nya is the best. Okay. And e basa na nko bi ntimi mfiri akire nya den. E mewrem. Me wo me camp wo camp say akora bi pio camp no ye na me koye adwuma. You run them. Open no me kwase so. Akora we na this pese me promote no. Nje ni oti fa na come me. Open no, oti me corset. Means we na me pese me promote so promoting mami. When you later
I think that what you are saying now is very sensible. But before they say so if you become now could become crana I say when you assume as you
and only the egos of the directors one say we are seeing me shana ma ru afi ho a obafom okay and also can ho na ma adwuma ne ye den a call from say come issue
me go so ne director oti etwetwe come na dey but and some dey ka say ka Kumawood ne say ma doorso chale doorso nti I mean say ye be ye ne den ye twa so adafoforo ne be sa ba ne abeka nsem because still na you promote Ghana movie industry now because who here me so me here what you say nti nyina na ye ka ho asema na you shoot good movies na industry no etimi asa a building. Director, now say no hashtag fix the GH movie.
Hashtag ne bring back our GH movies. Me tell me cause as a Ghana see a corrupt people we do mo kokosa here jeje. Cause here chiso create mu nyina. Because oma bo man ka. Na say national theaters we nya hwe. Hwam no say dey adwuma nye filmmakers.
Okay. Na say amamo, yes say amamo bi okocha center.
Enye no kocha center national theaters wo Accra art centers wo.
Yeah.
Enye do tontos no so ko tontos wo. You have to make use of the building nation in Yesika.
Okay.
Yeah, cause of financial loss to the state. Concert party were him from it. That's at that time there was Kiso sponsoring it. And the Kiso was Pioneer and Adrian BMZ Ebeba. Pa George Moho. There's so many artists over there. As a leader who is calling those people, say let's start. By the end of the day, 5 pack is Sika by your cocoon here, the cocoa in the
So what is really the job of the leaders?
The leaders.
Yeah. Or more industry.
Poleeno, do you know the full meaning of 5 pack?
Yeah.
What is the meaning?
Ghana Film Industry Association.
It's Ghana Film Producers.
Yeah.
Baby, almost film producers, no executive producers. They are all businessmen.
Okay.
They don't deserve to be there. When you check their track records, they are all executive producers. So they think of their personal interest. Negotiation, the TV stations are not bought advertising, they are still there. Why not two and a more TV stations are the first, no? Every month, we are income sending us in any demand station, no? Says you may not be a per revival, no? And as I be answers about publication and publicity. In Tibia, a quarter, no? Ebia you see can say I'm cut it down course in your day and my there's so some kind that's really most of some more test guild. What is the sense of that test guild? Bible say GDA and human count a GDA whom we are test guild for interest so you are test guild.
Okay.
Sanka guild near Jumana 5 package man at the test guild the year Juma and executive producer bit me in your brown creska. You ask me why?
Why?
My script is here. I want to do a multi-million production by Miniska.
Okay.
I write a letter to the 5 pack.
I
send my script, I will send my cast, I will send my crew because there's a group where so my market will be over tons in and see empty and every year kwasi. Okay, let's say on board the techie artist needs to be a cost of 40,000 we cost away. After the set, we young as you believe do work of bank. You do call your deal amount. We tell yourself 5 pack you distribute. If you are first one sans class and about the first 1 month in him say artist we cast it on your tier bank and then come for your profit circle. The bankroller will always work.
But the structures now they turn your movies now no anyway.
In the nature say you need leaders. The structures are there, but who is there to implement them? E bini ni mama boss ni na structures ni bia. Ntanke yin chance as you take here discuss here. Say the odo adwuma na me do adwuma na. Ya ka se kan akoma bom sia within 1 month me no me get a solution to it. O hwe dia sa hwe programs are companies sponsor.
Why can they invest?
How can they invest in the filming industry? Because advert future. Obo advert to TV so bet you almost about 40,000 plus, but maybe 1 month, 3 months now I end. But since you that way that wafe, but I didn't come on the product in was.
Wow.
So what kind of leaders do you have?
I think and Kumawood no me angasa no o kasa ese de o ka Ghana asem no. Esa na makoma ya ba. Ti ma nya ne ntwa so a. Se ne ngofo I started hashtag face Ghana no. Menche youth na ye ba na be hashtag face the Ghana film industry because no credit because paying for no credit they are not helping. There are a lot of ideas young boys no wa.
So let's look at Socrates, let's look at miracle. Ajapade bi also munye no wiase bia no manya ye den. O church ni no si fie, e wiase so ba na obobra e fie awale emma. Wanya sa ne mani na. So he doesn't care but you don't come from his family. And at them they will come and royalties no adi.
Because I think that if the industry is working like you said no we go ken adwuma fi wa I mean or they na me name nwa wa we fi based on ideas here we share and I may idea we say okay now there is no system to sell our movies and see why don't we all create one application you the beton movies you be market say be a Monday to say the first na Monday Cine ABCD and Eba your network companies Vodafone MTN Glue other ones na Tigo Airtel Akasa ombeye broad message and one and boy broad obi o yusu tigo bia benya message say oh Monday movie ba sene odi bako akotua ye kan say CD we twa CD says can farmer bloggers they will be posting the movie promo for you. The movie will be coming out Monday or app no so nipa ba ko pe like we have only one app obi e post my grandma post say aha na ton ye movie we are post aha na ton and who release movie no so enko ba bia for a year
yeah and send a free app no
free platform so
but no me no as we're talking you can ask my best right hand person my cameraman MTN. So it's a process that you are working on it. You pay from December to January every month you will be premiere one movie on app. Wow. I start here network companies, you know,
I think it's going to help
every month you do a movie premiere on app. And sana you sign accord to the year premiere centers no. You want to also get in touch with the State Transport Corporation, which is the STC, because there are TVs in it, they watch. That is the system that you are planning to do, the flight and other stuff. So we love the industry, and it's not about personal grievances. We need to fix it. It's Ghana, it's ours. We need to do it. Said within the next 4 or 5 years, we can be proud of ourselves and say yes, you've made it.
So in the Democrat at least, fix your
it's better to leave a legacy than to get wet.
Exactly.
I believe in legacy.
And with this, the fan is a wardrobe movie now. Auto movie no one city or app on us 100,000 to across the world. When you release the movie, you feel away they call Cantaman to when you release on the app, go worldwide.
The system now says most of our leaders no cry.
So I think this is
most of our marketers and our executive producer don't know how school. Almost class by shop boys. To the master here, CD and CD. Hey, some of the body 100 bosses in a buy, 20 is cow. No abobo scan was me executive producer. Do be no can kwase no can phone.
Exactly. Like I said, no, you're trying to come over so I have a come over. But today, you fancy her neon at the front. You better that na you create structures are able to fix the industry because you know, university, but your certificate crown. Me after national service, me Kaiser my family certificate say me go try. Me now for ne frame, me teaching them. Me it's not my field. What you say? Yanko bank. I can't. Na me to banks like from an upper 6 to like an 8. Na me balance Charlie emfa. We na talent anya me de my no school dey yako. Into school nim dey no na dey account we honanka aboa. There will be a time I think we need to fight on the course. Say we are fixing the
film industry. Because let me tell you something. Idea when I bow down my head to shame for employing for I'm telling them on the front there. A young boy called Sam Darkus.
Yeah.
Atimi adwene adidina ba mo dina be ye abeka amana atimi aside didina be TV station. Yemi just where is 5-pack TV. Sanka 5-pack anyo mo selfish interest ho omo committing. Why bone ya bo ka koto aponchin koto akante. That was what they were doing.
Wow.
Ye kwa ye tutuka ene bi so mo se ba kokoro wu adodo se ne timi ko. Ye ka saso ya hyehyɛ hene mane ade. Ena Adum TV be take the years take off. Show Ghanaian movies. Should and other TV stations inside a jibum. Sanka 5-pack and Kasa on the TV and bed in say TV station be benya local content or be baby or be But they all have questions to answer.